Hey, it's Tammy Lynn Hancock, and I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too, if you just don't give up. Thank you so much for stopping by today for this live video, and my purpose is to help network marketers, online marketers, new people in network marketing really understand attraction marketing and find out how you can explode your business. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why you are so important in this whole equation on how you can grow your business. I'm going to move my phone here a little bit because the sun's in the way here. Hey, nice to see you guys watching. If you've got some questions while I am talking, just feel free to put them on there, okay? So today we're going to talk about why you are so important in growing your business. And also, if you hang in to the end of the live video today, I want to let you know about an important boot camp that we got coming up. Okay, here we go. So why are you so important to grow your business? Well, you have to really believe yourself. You have to be able to see yourself as a leader. And as you're trying to grow your online marketing business, if you are not seeing yourself as being successful, if you don't look at yourself in the mirror every day and visualize yourself as being a leader, you will come across like an Eeyore. Now, for those of you who don't know who Eeyore is, in Pooh Bear, the famous cartoon, there was a character and they're called Eeyore. And Eeyore he's like a mule, and he always walks around with a downcast face and oh, woe is me, and he can never make it through. He always looks at the glass half empty. In order for you to grow your business, you have to look at your business glass as half full. You have to be positive. You have to be uplifting. And so it all starts with you being able to believe in your own abilities. And, you know, sometimes we get into businesses because we're in circumstances that maybe we just don't always feel the best about our abilities. We're starting out. We know we can do it, but we just don't know how yet. And this is why having the support of a team of people behind you to encourage and help coach you is so important. So if that's something you need, put the word encouragement below, because that's exactly what I do. That's what my team does. We're there to support you and encourage you and to coach you and to help you grow when you don't feel like you can do it by yourself, when you don't have anybody in your household who's supporting you. They all just think you're just the nut for doing this. When maybe your upline is too busy, or maybe they just don't know how to support you. So, you know, if you need some support, put the word encouragement below so I know and I can get in touch with you. But most people struggle with their online businesses because you don't believe yourself. And if you don't believe in yourself, why would anybody want to follow you? Why would anybody want to be attracted to you? Remember that attraction marketing is all about attraction. So let's go back to the example of when you're going to meet somebody at a coffee shop and you kind of like each other, right? And you know, you talk to each other on the phone, you've met each other, there's a little bit of sparks there, so you're going to meet for coffee. Now, if you go to that coffee shop looking like Eeyore, okay, what are the chances that the other person's going to finish their coffee pretty quick and leave? Probably pretty high. That's the same thing with your business. It all starts with you. You don't have to be making millions to be successful in starting your business. You don't have to have a team full of 12 people to be an effective leader. But you have to trust yourself first in order for people to trust you. So it all begins, and a lot of the stuff that I talked to you about is, you know, the stuff between our two ears. It all begins with what's going on here. What's our self-talk? What's our mindset? What are we doing to encourage ourselves? You've got to have that time every day that you take time to build your mindset, to encourage yourself, to grow yourself. You know, for me, I'm always talking about my power hour. My power hour comes in the morning when I spend some time with God. I don't pick up my phone. I start my day just filling myself with the things that are good and right and true. That's where I get my encouragement and strength. I also have a team of very supportive people, my mentors, and these are the same team I can introduce you to as well, who can support me and hold me up. And when I'm confused and I can't figure something else, they help me. But it's all in that mindset, believing in yourself. If I don't trust myself and believe in myself, than trying to do my daily method of operation, my DMO. That's a term that we talk about a lot in attraction marketing. It's going to be hard to do that. If I don't believe in myself, it's going to be hard for me to click those buttons to go out and make some new friends in order to bring more people to me and to get to know people. Is this resonating with you? Give me some more hearts and thumbs up if it is, if I'm making some sense for you. If I don't have belief in myself or even in my product, how in the world can I put positive content out on my Facebook profile and attract people to me? What are they going to be attracted to? An Eeyore? Somebody who's a Daisy Downer? So it all starts with how I believe in myself, how I perceive myself. And if I'm not believing in myself, how will I be able to consistently show up and post on my Facebook page so that I will attract my target market to me? So do you see the power of believing in yourself? Now, one thing I want to say is a lot of people try to replace their lack of belief with quick fixes. You're going to buy a program out there that's guaranteed to give you 750 leads that are going to want to sign up in your business tomorrow. So you buy this quick fix, you spend $750 on it, and you get a bunch of leads you don't know what to do with, and you just wasted your money because you don't have that belief system, you don't have the support, you don't have the training to be able to use those leads. Do you see how we get into those pitfalls? Maybe you've done it. I've done it. But because we live in a society where quick fixes and McDonald's are around every corner, we're impatient. Attraction marketing, you have to be patient and you have to work it because it runs in 90-day cycles, 90-day cycles. Don't try to replace your lack of belief in yourself by thinking, if I just kind of show up and just kind of scroll around, how we scroll our finger up and down over the Facebook page and never do activity to grow our business, and then we pretend we're growing our business. Sometimes we deceive ourselves with doing busy work, but not productive work. And so, I hope that was a little bit helpful to you, just to be able to see some of the pitfalls that we all fall in, that I've fallen into. And also, I hope that you were able to see today the importance of believing in yourself. So the other thing I wanted to talk to you about is I did a poll the other day, and there's a boatload of you guys out there who really are interested in a boot camp. I'm going to do it. Going to start October 1st. It's a 5-day boot camp. It's absolutely free. So sign up. I'm going to put the link below in this live after I post it. Also, if you look on my Facebook page, there's a whole link that you can click on, see a little video of me, and sign up for that boot camp. Sign up for it. It's free. It's 1 hour a day. If you can't watch it live, like for me, it's going to be midnight because of time zones. So if you can't watch it live, watch it on replay and then do the homework. So for those of you who want to sign up, go click and sign up. And I will want to talk to each of you before I put you in the boot camp. I want to do a live, quick Zoom call with you to make sure that you and I are on the same page, and that this will be something that can really help you grow your business. Do I believe in it? Absolutely. Do I believe if you start this boot camp and then perhaps choose to go on and do a more intensive boot camp, do I believe that you would have the tools to be able to start your 90 days and really start exploding your business? Without a doubt. So please sign up for that boot camp. It's free. You will love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'm working with another leader of mine that's on my dream team with me, and so we'll be doing some co-training together, and I think you will absolutely be astounded at the things you learn about yourself. So sign up for that below. If you need some help with encouragement, you're feeling like you're struggling and supportive, please put that below. Either way, I will be glad to meet with you one-on-one on a Zoom call and talk and really help you get through some of your struggles. I believe that you guys can do this. I believe that you can do this. I believe that you can be the leader that you want to be, and that there are people out there that are just out there looking for your product, and they're out there looking just for you, because you wouldn't be here unless you were a person of value unless you were a person that cared about reaching out to other people. So it's really, truly my honor to be with you today. So, hey, April. So before I go, does anybody have any quick questions that you need me to answer? Hey, Pierre, good. Sign up for that boot camp. I'll look for your name on there. Anybody else have any other questions to ask me while we're, about the value of you, about the boot camp while I'm on live with you today? I'll give you a few minutes while I blab on. If you're watching this on replay, just hit replay below. Feel free to share this video. Feel free to hit those 3 dots on the top part of the screen and follow me, because you never know when Tammy Lynn's going to be inspired and go live. Feel free to watch my Monday giggles if you want to watch something that's very, very silly. That's just a silly part of me that I did that yesterday. It's just silly, but it's fun. And any other questions before I hang up and say bye-bye for the day? So anyway, I want to encourage you to be the best you that you can be. I believe in you. Just believe in yourself. I'm Tammy Lynn Hancock. I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up. Just don't give up. Just don't give up. You can do it. And remember, sign up for my boot camp. Starts October 1st for 5 days. You can watch it on replay. 5 days, 5 days. God bless you. Have a great day.